it is okay to not spend any money on Black Friday. It is perfectly okay to not purchase anything. It is okay to not participate. To all of the parents out there, listen, I come in peace. I understand that the holidays are coming up. This goes to my video when I was talking about, look, your Christmas holidays does not have to be expensive. You don't have to spend up a bag of money. That includes on Black Friday. Now come closer and hold my hand when I say this. Make a hold your hand and I'm going to walk you through this. Yes, Black Friday is a deals day, and to be quite honest, Black Friday deals day isn't giving what it used to give. Okay, like I remember 70% off as of like I remember good deals on Black Friday. It's not giving what it used to give. Unless I want something specific, man, I run down the Black Friday deal. Because what happens is like we see the Black Friday deals, I'm just alright, let's get this. This goes back to what I'm saying about living in your tax bracket. I'm gonna tell you something. Unless it's one item that you feel like, oh my gosh, I'll never get it on this deal again, it will be there next year. You know how I know say it will be there next year? Because last year I wanted some, I don't remember what it was, probably was a camera, I think. I still didn't get it. When I get the camera, yeah, I didn't get anything. I got a different camera, but you know, I did once it's and everything, and I was like, first of all, I don't have the money for that right now, and sometimes I feel like I can miss out and it will never come back. And guess what? A year later, Black Friday again, the same camera that did it, but them have a new version come out, right? And it honestly, that camera is still kind of like the same price, to be honest with you. So it's like the deals and they don't have to be expensive. If you saved before for it, or if you know, say there's something that you specifically want, then set your mind on that and get that. Don't allow this holiday season to make you rack up bills and credit card debt, because what some of us are doing is seeing things on sale that we might or might not want, and but because it's on sale, we go ahead and purchase it just in case and waste our money. You still waste some money because you don't need it, you don't want it, and it probably won't work as well, right? You don't need it and you don't want it, you just want it because it's on sale. It's like, I do believe in buying some things and putting them out, but you know, really think about the things that you're purchasing. Don't allow this deals week and deals this and sale this to make you rack up debt, because like I mentioned in one of my videos, collecting debt isn't self-care, and purchasing all these things on debt and then having that credit card debt following you for a year later is the worst feeling ever. So if it's not something specific, low Black Friday, because I'm gonna tell you this, anything with on sale now, 9 times out of 10 you're gonna get a newer version next year. There's a newer version is gonna come out, and yes, you might miss this sale. You might, oh, it was so good, it was on sale. You might have missed this sale, but you were able to keep your peace of mind. Don't force yourself to go out shopping. If it is for Christmas gifts, understandable. Make sure you're buying Christmas gifts within your tax bracket. You know that you have the money for it. You put up the money for it, and you know, so you can cover it. Do not go with multiple debt for the holiday season, purchasing things for your kids that they won't use past 2 months, and you probably not even like it, and them not gonna use it. Be very mindful about the things that you're buying. Purchase things where make sense for your kids. I remember in September I purchased the lunch kits, I think they were quite popular, damn, what are they again, the lunchbox, the bento box lunchbox, you know, thinking I was gonna give them food every day, but I'm gonna bring back home, come here and give food and you waste it. So I just stopped, because it's like, I'm not about to pack your lunch kit with and then you're gonna bring it back. Now it turns out that they didn't even need that bento box, because them not use it how them supposed to, and them not eat something them mama put in it. I just saw it and thought, this is cute, it's great for the kids. It's not. What I'm giving them in their lunchbox could have went in the regular old $20 lunchbox. They never need the bento box, unless I'm giving them warm food, which is every now and then, whenever them have to tell them to eat it. They didn't need a bento box. So most of us spent so much money on that bento box, so that thing was almost $40 on Amazon or more, just for them to not use it to its full potential. So some of these things that we're wanting to get for our kids it's more like we want it than they want it. Buy practical stuff. You know, I say like sometimes the debt we were going up, it could have been avoided because you could have bought something more practical for our children. You know, where it comes down to holiday gifts, if you're participating in holiday, which is something that we all need to learn, that hey, maybe I'm not participating in the gift part of it, but I'll decorate. That's okay. If that's what your tax bracket is saying right now, then that's what your tax bracket is saying, and that's how you're going to celebrate the holiday. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. One thing we're going to normalize, we can normalize, you do not have to shop on Black Friday. If you do not want anything, there's nothing there that you want, you're not trying to spend any money, you don't have to. And I understand the rush of it sometimes. Don't get me wrong, sometimes you're not participating and you see something and like, okay, great, this is something that I want, this is a great deal, then all right, great, you went ahead and get it. But let it be known, shout it from the mountaintop, you do not have to shop on Black Friday. You literally don't have to. You don't have to participate in anything that you don't want to participate in, and you don't have to participate in anything that's going to basically make you accumulate debt. Okay, like Amazon Prime Week. Now I will still promote Prime Week because I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you do decide to purchase, then I'm going to promote my Prime Week, but be intentional, be mindful. Don't just go out there purchasing everything. Don't just go out there and think, okay, this is what I'm going to buy. I'm just buying things just because of you want to purchase it. Think about the things that you're purchasing. Actually think about it, because they're just giving a card, giving $1 without actually thinking about it. And that's what happens to us in these holiday seasons, and that's why we have so much debt, especially as parents, as moms. You know, you're sitting there and you're like, the worst feeling is having all that debt after the holidays. Like, it makes you think like, was it even worth it? You don't have to. If you don't want anything, then don't purchase anything. You literally don't have to purchase anything. Black Friday is not something that we have to participate in. You don't have to participate. You can stay home. That's Boxing Day for me. Stay home. Come on. If it's not something you don't want to participate in, stay home. If it's Amazon Prime Week and you don't want anything, don't just buy it just because, oh, it's on sale. You don't want it, you never think you did need it before, you probably won't need it for next week. And when it come on to Amazon Prime Week, Prime deal, there'll be another one. They always have them. So you don't have to participate. I think it's going to be on my other video where it concerns trying to stop overspending. But some of us don't have no business having this Prime account because they spend too much money. It is a distraction. We're not addicted to just spending. Okay, but that's it for a different story. I'm just making this video to let you know I am holding your hand, and I'm letting you know it is okay to not spend any money on Black Friday. It is perfectly okay to not purchase anything. It is okay to not participate. You can sit in your house and not participate, and if people talk about it, that's fine, because at the end of the day, you literally have no debt, or you're not accumulating more debt. I think my goal for 2026 is debt reduction rather than debt accumulation. So that's what may I work with it in my family. You know, like, we need debt reduction, right, going into 2026. I think that's something that would be in like my New Year goals. But yeah, that's what we're working on. Yeah, I hope this helps someone. I hope, take it with a grain of salt. I hope we can conversate about it below. And if you like the conversation that I just had with you, if you feel like, yeah, we can go on, you can subscribe. If you like some of my other videos, then definitely subscribe. If you don't, still like the video, and big up yourself either way. Thanks for watching. Until next time.